This brings me to a very interesting it's a question or something that I would like your thoughts on. The other day, I was reading an article by Rishad Premji, Indian Express Survey, where he was talking about human development growth, and and one of the measures was that increased participation of women, because reports say that even though there is so much of hullabaloo around this topic around inclusivity, diversity, getting women in the workforce. Still, in the course of the last few years, we've seen the participation of women has considerably gone down from the workforce. There are very, very less women in the decision making posts right now, but as you said, like there's a lot of talk, but is really happening at the ground level is something that I'm thinking about. Where,
Yeah.
what are your thoughts on this? Even for our LGBT community, people are not ready to accept the fact. Still, we may say we are quite, modern, we think out of the box, we accept everything, but still, at a certain level, we don't do it.
Yeah. No, you're absolutely right. Rishad is right, obviously, also because it's here for all of us to see, right? The sad thing is what you said. The report says that it's getting lesser when it should have been getting better, right? We've started so many years before. That's exactly how you started this conversation. We have started so many years before. And if you really see, there is so much more awareness about this whole thing, right? Do you agree that there's awareness that diversity is important, you need to focus on it, all that has also happened, but
Yeah.
it has just become about that day, right? About March 8th, about the LGBTQ day, about, so this is where I think organizations, and I would say this is now not about HR, this is not about the diversity officer who needs to be worried that how, what should I be doing, how do I increase this. This is a CEO's mandate. The CEO should be rallying around this. So let me give you an example. Okay, so if in an organization, okay, if there is an issue with the sales numbers, okay,
Mm-hmm.
how does a CEO approach it? The CEO won't be saying, let me create a celebrate sales month, right? And then because we're celebrating it, sales will improve. Of course not. That's not the way it happens. They get down to where is the issue, what are the ways to fix it. They think about it as a business problem, right? They
True.
think about it as tools, and what can I do to enable salespeople and change mindsets and talk to customers, and what are the metrics saying, what is the evidence around the metrics. So they completely approach it like a business problem, and I think that is exactly how this has to be looked at. Only then, and coming straight down from the CEO, because that's when the other business leaders, who obviously are largely male, will look at doing this entire thing, making the needle move in a very different way. So the approach to this cannot be about the way we have done it, which is about celebrating it and making a day out of it and then forgetting it. It has
Right.
to be about, are we hiring equal number of people, are we giving equal number of opportunities, what does a performance management system expect out of managers, out of all types of people. So that's how it needs to be looked at. So your question on what's happening at the grassroots level is the same. In fact, grassroots level, if you look at any IT company, 50% of the workforce are, it's equal when they come in, right, from the colleges. Then after that, you see this really sharp drop
Yes.
as people get to the top. Now there are obviously a number of reasons for that, but what are companies doing to enable that? If people have to take off for different reasons, and in this particular case, if it needs to be women, how do the policies and processes work to ensure that they can come back faster? And once they come back, how easy it is to kind of seamlessly bring them back into mainstream. there are a lot of things that need to be done. But the first and foremost thing is it has to become a business item and a business agenda, just like if your sales high, your sales numbers were low. I mean, that's almost like the most extreme example I'm taking, but it needs to be looked at like that if we want to see a shift.